Hi, in this video we are going to see about how to set up an organization in Salesforce. So before that we have to understand something about the licenses in Salesforce. There is a various license in Salesforce where you can select according to your organization. Now we'll see about this developer edition. So developer edition, it is a free account that you can use it for your practice purpose. And to create a developer edition, first of all, you need to sign up with this developer.salesforce.com. So after that, you need to log in with login.salesforce.com, which you can call it as protection URL. And we will be having some limitations of this developer edition. So that is maximum of 2 users only will be allowed, and it will be expires if it is idle for 6 months. And maximum of data storage you can store only 5 MB, and there will be no sandbox. So sandbox is a testing environment, that is it is a copy of production environment where you can test your application whether it is working properly or not. Now let's see some sample video demonstration how to create a organization setup in Salesforce. To create developer login, first of all go to this URL called developer.salesforce.com, and after that click sign up. So you can give your usernames, credentials, everything. So first name and last name I gave it right now, and you can give your email address. So here my email address is jamessftctutorial@gmail.com. So I'm copying this address and I'm just pasting it here. Okay. So after that, select your role, whether you are developer or administrator. So as of now I'm selecting developer, and you can give any company name. And select the state. You can specify the postal code, and after that you have to create a username. It must be in the format of email, name at companyname.com. So here James SFDC tutorial at sfdc.com. You can give anything and select sign me up. So after selecting the sign up, you have to select your email account. After selecting the sign up, you have to verify your email account. So you got a mail from Salesforce department, and click verify account. So directly it will take you the password page. You can create your password, and after that select any security question and give the answer for that. Here try to switch to Salesforce Classic. This is the place where we are going to work. So let me sign out and I will log in again. So what is your username? James SFDC tutorial at sfdc.com. The username is James SFDC tutorial at sfdc.com. So here I just gave the password which I have created and login. So if you want to register your phone number, you can give it. So as of now, I will give remind me later, or you can give I don't want to register my phone. This is all about the organization setup. And you can view your profiles. If you want to change any settings, you can change it. Again, if you want to change it into lightning experience, you can change it. So here what you are going to see, it's called tabs, and whatever it is there, it is called apps. So that's all about the creating the organization.